Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Here's the explanation and the solution to the problem. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Let's now correct the code and take a look at the resulting outcome. And bingo! The code performs perfectly and our output is just right. The error has been fixed. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Remember, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and happy debugging, folks.